Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So ever since I built my Monster Linux PC, one of the best things to come out of that was this HP 23-inch IPS display. Now this was a huge step up for me because of the fact that before, all I was using was laptops, and so the screen cannot compare to what I have here. However, as with everything in technology, it is time for an upgrade, so that's what I'm doing today. And so the upgrade that I'm making today is another HP monitor. This is the HP Pavilion 32Q LED screen. Now this is a huge step up over my 1080p 23-inch monitor before, because this one is actually an LED display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440, which is a 2K screen. So let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so inside the box, here's the power supply, and this is a bracket mount in case you want to hang this display up. Warranties, instructions, your power cable, and HDMI cable. Thankfully, this one is a DVI cable, it looks like. So there's the display. It was really easy to set up. You just basically plug the base in and that is it. Now let's go ahead and look at the back side of the monitor to see what we have. Okay, so on the back, what we have right here is first, this is where you put your power supply. And this right here is a USB hub. There's two downstream, one upstream. And then here is your HDMI. You have two of them. And earlier I thought I got two HDMI cables, but it's actually one HDMI cable and the other one is for this right here. This is actually the display port. So that's great for HP to throw all that in. And I think for the majority of people, it's going to be enough connectivity. So as you can see here, there is a massive difference between having a 23-inch display up to this 32-inch display. This display can actually go brighter as well. This one goes up to 300 nits. And right now, I can already tell my experience is going to be better with this new display. So let's go ahead and set this up on the desktop. So now that I got it set up, my first impressions are, wow, this is quite literally a gigantic difference versus my 23-inch display. So some of the things that I see right away is, first and foremost, the colors just pop. This does have the sRGB color gamut, and on top of it, just the overall picture quality, brightness, clarity, sharpness, everything just looks better. So let me talk about what I use my computer for, because it will determine whether or not this monitor is for you. And so the first thing that I use my computer for is for digital marketing. I spend a lot of time in spreadsheets. So having this much larger screen, it really helps a lot to look at the data and to quickly analyze things without having to move things around. And the second thing I use it for is content consumption. I don't have a TV, so this is my primary monitor. This is what I use to watch all my content, whether it is on YouTube or Netflix. It just looks really amazing to me. And since it is 32 inches, it's pretty much a TV for me, you know, and the fact that it is a computer display monitor, I just think it looks a lot better than conventional TVs. And then another thing I do is, obviously, I do content creation. And so by having such a big screen versus my laptop or versus my 23-inch display, I just have a lot more real estate. And so this is great for productivity if I'm working on a lot of different things. The final thing that I use my monitor for is gaming. Specifically retro gaming, casual gaming, and even a little light gaming as well. This monitor is more than enough for it. However, it might not be for everyone. And so the gaming part is the thing that I do want to mention. That's why I said a little bit earlier, this might not be for everyone. Because this monitor is a 60 hertz monitor. The refresh rate is like 7 milliseconds. And then it also comes with AMD FreeSync, and so that goes down to 5 milliseconds. And so for most people like myself, who is a casual gamer, this is more than enough. But for somebody who is more of a pro gamer, somebody who loves modern gaming, who wants the absolute highest quality, this monitor might not be the best for them. You know, more than likely they're probably going to get something with 120 hertz and a lot lower refresh rate, maybe 3 milliseconds. And so this is definitely not that. And at the same time, this is a 2K display monitor. Now, once again, this is more than enough for me, but for somebody who is serious about gaming, or maybe they are really into video editing and they want the top-notch quality, then this might not be it. But for something that is less than $400 US, I don't think there is a better monitor out there, especially considering the size that you get and all the features that are available. And so that is my overall review and unboxing of this HP 32-inch display. If you had any thoughts on this, whether you have a monitor similar to this or maybe you have the same one, let me know in the comments below. And if you did want to get this monitor, you can help me out by checking out my affiliate link. I will leave that in the description area below. So thanks for watching, and as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.